Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys already know my style, I like to go straight to the point, so let's dive into it. So today our main ingredient for our hair butter is ginger. As you can see, I've already scraped them and washed them, so I'm going to grate them, as you can see. And you can actually blend this. There's another method where you can blend it together with the carrier oil you're going to use to make the oil, but I decided to grate it and fry it. So right now I'm just grating it and I will soon be done, and then we'll get started. So guys, obviously you can't get oil from ginger directly, so for us to make our ginger hair butter, we need to make a ginger oil. We use this ginger and extract the nutrients through the oil we'll be using, and it is the oil we're going to make that will be the main base for our hair butter. So now I've finished grating it and I'm going to get on with the oil. So now I'm using extra virgin olive oil, and I added over 5 tablespoons of olive oil in my frying pan on low heat. Keyword: very low heat. So you don't want this oil to be too hot that it ends up just burning and not giving you what you want. So I'm going to fry this thing for a while on low heat, and you just keep stirring it to avoid it burning. And you can see the color of the ginger changing, and I'm going to fry until the residue turns brown, and that's when I know it's okay. So at this point the ginger oil is okay. I don't think there's anything that's going to come out of this again, so I'm just going to let it cool down. So while the ginger oil is cooling down, I'm just going to get prepared with the other ingredients I'll be using for this hair butter, and this is shea butter, and I need about half cup of shea butter. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just measuring it in the cup and I'll turn it into my bowl. And once I do that, I'm going to let it melt down because you can't use it in its solid form. So I'll put it in the bowl and melt it. You can use a microwave, but I don't like how a microwave just fries the whole thing and the oil become very watery. And also I'll be using a double boiler method, more like hot water though. I'm just going to pour hot water in a bowl, as you can see, and place the shea butter on it until it melts down to the latest. So while that is sitting, my ginger oil is already cool, so I'm going to filter this using a muslin cloth to extract as much oil as I can from the residue. So guys, as you can see, this is the quantity of ginger oil we got, and look at how yellowish it is, and it smells amazing. So right now we are going to move on with the rest of the ingredients. The shea butter is already melted down, and I'm going to add the other things to it. And I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil as well. And next I'm going to add this oil that I made. Guys, if you watch my previous video, you will see that I made this aloe vera scalp oil. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. And this is few drops of mint essential oil. I'm going to add few drops of tea tree oil as well, and I'm going to add few drops of lavender essential oil as well. And right now I'm going to add in the ginger oil we created earlier, which is the main base for our ginger hair butter. Now that's it. And the last but not the least is 1 tablespoon of honey, and that's about it. So we're just going to mix this very well so that all the oils will combine and everything will be well incorporated. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to cover this up and put in the fridge for about 30 minutes so it will solidify a little bit, and then we can start with the hair butter properly. So this is entering the fridge now. And I am sorry guys that when I brought it out of the fridge, I forgot to record and I just went on to start whipping, and I wasn't able to show you guys what it looked like after 30 minutes in the fridge, but I'm sorry for that. But anyway, we move. So this is me whipping the butter, and I'm just going to whip this for a few minutes until it gives a very fluffy and sweet texture. So guys, once in a while I pause my mixing machine, I scrape it well so everything will be combined and there's no ingredient that is left out, so that I'll whip again. And I just kept whipping until I got the fluffy texture I wanted. And this butter turned out to be much more than I expected, guys. And it is actually a good thing because my hair is going to eat this butter for a very long time. Well, not really a long time because I have low porosity hair, so my hair needs a whole lot of moisture. So this will last for a few weeks, but it's going to be of great help. Guys, you need this butter in your hair. You need this butter. You already know the ingredients I combined in this, and all those ingredients are very good for hair. They are good for the scalp, they are good for the hair, and everything combined with ginger, and you get an amazing hair butter, guys. And I'm done whipping at this point, so I'm just going to transfer it into my container. And this is the container I'll be using. So I'm using a spoon to fill in this container, making sure that I fill it up completely, and that's about it. So because of the vitamins and minerals contained in ginger like magnesium, potassium and phosphorus, this butter will nourish your scalp. It will fight against hair loss and promote your hair growth. It will improve the blood circulation in your scalp and stimulate your hair follicles to make your hair grow very beautifully. And it will fight against dandruff and beat any form of dryness, thereby improving your scalp health. That is why you need this butter in your hair, guys. Look at how fluffy this butter is, and like I told you earlier, the butter turned out much more than I expected. So this container is already full and I had to put the remaining in an extra container. So this butter is going to last for I think 2 weeks because my hair is going to eat this butter the way my hair will eat this butter, guys. So this is all the butter I made. Look at how beautiful it looks, and I'm going to show you guys in a while how this butter looks on the skin, so you can just imagine what it will look like in your hair. You can just imagine what it will do to your hair, guys. Just look at that. Now just look at all that shine. Now this is what it's going to do to your hair. It's going to moisturize your hair and give it the shine that your hair needs. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys learned something today, and if you love the video, give me a thumbs up and tell me what you think in the comment section. Some of you are watching my videos and not subscribing. Please guys, join the family because you don't want to miss out on all the awesomeness I'll be sharing on this channel. And if you're new here, Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share the video, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll appreciate that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.